Thank you so much po sa pag-comment ninyo, and yeah, this is really the sole purpose of me posting videos here. So, okay, ngayon ko lang nahanap, nag-upload about F2B. Ang tagal ng waiting time, December 2011 yung priority date namin. As of today po, chinecheck ko yung visa bulletin nakalagay for F2B. For the Philippines, April 15, 2012 na po yung priority date. So if I were you, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakatanggap ng welcome letter or letting you know na kailangan mo nang i-prepare yung mga papeles mo and then you have to prepare for the interview, the best path forward for me personally is i-email po yung NVC. Tapos tanungin nyo na po kung kamusta na po yung yung application ninyo. I wish you the best of luck po sa yung immigrant journey. Sana po makatanggap na kayo ng magandang balita. So, konting kembot na lang po, mangyayari na rin po yun sa inyo. I wish you luck.